Good morning students. Today we'll see exercise 2.1 question number 4 and 5. In question 4, what written? Find the sum of the following. Okay. So see here question number 4a. So in this exercise and 2.1 question number 4, the sum of the following, that means we need to find the sum of the fractional numbers, right? So here you see one question 4a. So see how we'll solve it. You just look. Okay, so see there is 3 and 1 4 by 5 is written. So in the solution we will write 3 and then plus you will give sign and then 4 by 5. Okay, so here you see, and this number, this is the whole number, right? So their denominator, so every number their denominator what have 1 have, so we'll write here 1. Okay, now see there we will take the LCM of the denominators, right? There 1 and there is 5. So what is the LCM of 1 and 5? So it is what? 5. So LCM is 5. So this 1, what will multiply with this 1 will get this 5. So if 5 1 ja 5, that means if you multiply with this 1 to 5, then you will get 5. Okay, now this above of 1 what have 3, so we'll multiply it with this 5 into 3. Okay, and now what sign have? Plus sign, so give plus sign. Okay, and now here this 5 how many times in 5? That means 1 times. What will multiply with 5? Then you will get 1, right? So here we will give 1. Okay, and then you see above of 5 what have 4, then you will multiply it with this 1 by 4. Okay, now we give bracket sign, and then what we will do, then you see there we will write 5 and denominator, and then you will multiply these 2. 5 3 is how much? 15. Okay, so next we'll give plus sign, right? And then 4 1 ja 4, we'll write 4 here. Okay, so now we'll add this 15 plus 4. So here denominator what have 5 and 15 plus 4 is what? 19. So this is in improper fraction, right? So we'll convert into mixed fraction. So 5 how many times in 19? That means if you divide this 19 by 5, then what you will get? So 5 3 ja how much? 5 3 ja 15, and denominator what will write? 5, and there is 15. 5 3 ja 15, but there is what? 9. So remain what? 4. So 4 will write there. Okay, hope you understood this one. So similarly number B I will show you now. Here you see 3 by 5 and 2 by 15 and 7 by 10. So in this case what we will do, first we will take the LCM of the denominator. So what have the here, what are the LCM, what are the denominators? 5 15 and 10. So we will take the LCM of these denominators. So 5 will write there 5, then what? 15. Okay, and then what have? 10. So you see first you will divide this one by 2. 2 how many times in 5? You can't divide this 2 by 5, so you write same to same. Okay, now this also 15 you can't also divide by 5, so you write same. Okay, so now comma you give, and then what have? 10. So 2 how many times in 10? 5 times, so write here 5. Okay, then again you divide this one. Now you can divide this one by, this one can't divide by 3, and now this one can divide by 3, but this one not. So first we will, after 2 we will write 3. So here 3 this 3 can't divide this 5, so you write same 5 as usual, and now this 3 can divide this 15. So 3 how many times in 15? 5 times. Okay, then there you give 5 and give comma, then there 5 you write same, because you can't divide this 5 by 3. So again now you see there 5 5 5 have, so you give here 5. Okay, now 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, and 5 1 ja 5. Now if you multiply this all, then what will get? The LCM will be surely 30. Okay, you see how? 30, 3 2 ja 6, 6 5 ja how much? 30. Okay, so here LCM is what? LCM is 30. Okay, Now see this 5, what will multiply with this 5, you will get this 30. So if you multiply with this 5 by 6, then you will get 30, because 5 6 are 30. So how many times? That means 6. What will multiply? 6, then you will get 30. So 6 you write. Okay, and above of this 5 what have? 3, then you multiply with this 3. Okay, and then give plus sign. Okay, now 15. So this 15, what will multiply with this 15? You will get 30. So 15 to 30, that means 2. If you multiply 2, then you will get 30. So now above of this 15, what have? 2, then you multiply with this by 2. Okay, and next what have? There is plus sign, right? So give plus sign. Okay, now see there is 10 in denominator. What have? 10. So 10 how many times in 30? Or you can say what will multiply with this 10? You will get 30. Okay, so what? 10 3 are 30, that means 3 times. Okay, so give 3. Okay, and this above of 10 what have? That means numerator 7, so you multiply 7. Okay, now there is 3 into 7. Now next there you denominator what? 30. Okay, so 6 3 are how much? 18, right? Now plus sign you give, and then 2 2 how much? 4. Okay, then plus sign you give. 3 7 21, right? So give 21. Okay, next, so here what have? 30 in denominator, and if you add this 18 plus 4, how much? 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus there is 21, right? So it will be 43. Okay, so you see 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, remaining 1, and 1 1 2 1 3 plus 1 4, 43, right? So their answer will be 30 how many times in 43? 1 time. So denominator 30 and numerator will be 3. 3 what? 13. Okay, so hope you understood this one. So next I'll show you the question number C. Okay, question number C. Okay, so there what have? 5 by 6, 3 by 4 plus 4. So same here, you see their denominators not have, that means they have 1. Okay, so in the solution, so what you will do? You will take the LCM of the denominators, right? So here LCM will be, so here in this case we will write their denominator is what? 1. Okay, so now LCM will be what? It is very easy. So there directly you can say their LCM is what? 24. Okay, you do it. If you have any confusion, then you find out the LCM and do it. Okay, so there is LCM is 24. So say, tell me this 6, what will multiply with this 6? You will get 24. Surely 4 6 are 24. Okay, now 6 above of this 6 numerator what have? 5. You multiply with this by 5. Okay, and then give bracket. Then what sign have? There is plus, so give plus sign, right? And then 4, this 4 what will multiply with this 4? You will get 24. So 6, because 6 4 ja 24. So now this 4 numerator what have? 3, so multiply with this 6 by 3. Okay, and then give bracket sign, right? And there you see there are 4, their denominator what have? 1. Okay, so 1, that means what will multiply with this 1? You will get this 24. 24 1 is 24, that means you need to multiply it by 24 to 1, then you will get 24. Now this 1 numerator what have? 4, so give 4. Okay, so now next here what we will do? We will give now equal to sign, and then denominator what? 24, right? So now 4 5 ja what? It is 20, plus sign you give, and 6 3 ja how much? 6 3 ja 18, right? Okay, now you see there what have? 24 into 4, so 4 4 ja what? 16, remaining what? 1, 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 96. Okay, now here in the numerators 20 20 plus 18 plus 96. So we'll add this. Okay, so 8 plus 6 what? 14. Okay, and there is 0. So 8 plus 6 14, remain what? 1. So 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 what? 12, 12 plus 1 13. Okay, so if you add this one, then you will get 134. Okay, so their denominator what? 24. Okay, so now we can cut these numbers, because this is even number, this is also even number. If you cut by 2 this one, then you will get here 12. Okay, 12 to the 24. If you cut this one by 2, then they are 13. So 13, how many 2 how many times in 13? 6 times, remain what? 1. Now 14, that means there will be 7. So 67 to the 134. Now in numerator what have? Now 67 and denominator have 12. Okay, so now this is an improper fraction, will convert into mixed fraction. So 5 how many this 12 how many times in 67? So 5 12 ja how much? 5 12 ja 60, right? And remain what? There is 67. So 5 12 ja 60 and plus 7, then this plus 7 will be right in numerator. Okay, hope you understood. So now question number D. See, same here, only what given? This, there's mixed fraction given to you, right? So you will convert into mixed fraction into improper fraction. So very simple. So here 5 have in denominator, so 5 1 ja what? 5 1 ja, this first will multiply these two, 5 1 ja 5 plus 3 what? 8. Okay, and then same plus sign you give, then here denominator what have? 10, right? 10 denominator. Okay, then what have? 2 and 10. So multiply these 2 into 2 10 ja how much? 20 plus 7, 27. Okay, and then plus sign you give, and then what have? 3 there is denominator 15 have. 3 15 ja how much? 45 plus 4 49, right? So in numerator 49, denominator what have? 15. Now afterward what we will do? You will take the LCM of these 3. Okay, 5, these 3 numbers 5 10 and 15. So their denominator will be surely 30. You do it. Okay, so their denominator is 30, sorry. So 5 what will multiply with this 5? You will get 36, because 6 5 ja 30. Okay, so now above of this 5 what have? 8. So you write here 8. Okay, and give bracket sign. So now plus you give 10, that means 10 how many times in 30? Or you can say 10 what will multiply with this 10? You will get 33, because 3 10 ja 30. So you give 3, and above of this 10 what have? 27. So you multiply it by 27. Okay, and give bracket, right? And now see, there is 15. So 15 how many times in 30? 2 times, right? And then give 2, and multiply sign you give, and above of this 15 what have? 49. So you give here 49. Okay, and then you multiply it. Okay, so there is one bracket. So now what? 30 in denominator, and now 6 8 ja what? There 6 into 8, 6 6 ja 48. What? 48. And then you see what? 327 ja. So 7 3 ja 21, remaining 2, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 70 plus 2, then there will be 81, right? And then plus sign you give, now 2 into 49, that means there is 98. Okay, now we'll add the all the numerators, and then you will get the one number, right? So there is 8, there is 1, 8 plus 1 what? 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 what? 17. Okay, and remain what? 1. So 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 4, 17 plus 4 what? 21, 21 plus 1 how much? 22. Okay, so there is 227. So afterward you will convert into mixed number. Okay, next question number 5. So see 5 what have? find the difference of the following. That means we need to find the difference. Okay, so difference means we do some subtraction. Okay, so here question number A, 3 minus 6 by 7. So this is very simple. So this is, so for there you write solution and you see there 3, so you write 3. Okay, and then 6 minus 6 by 7. Okay, minus 6 by 7, the question written right first. So here also same, the denominators not have, that means that have, there have 1. So now there 1 and 7, so same in addition what you have done, same, only in place of addition there is minus sign there. Okay, so same, you just take LCM. So 7 and 1 LCM is what? It is very simple, you know, there is LCM is 7. So their denominators what have 1. So 1, what will multiply with this 1, you will get 7. Surely 1 7 just 7, that means you, if you multiply with this 1 by 7, then you will get 7. So now you see there 1 numerator is what have 3, so you will multiply this 7 by 3. Okay, and give bracket sign, and then what sign have? Minus, so you give minus sign, right? So here you give minus sign. So now 7, you see 7 how many times in 7, that means you can say 7, what will multiply with 7, then you will get 7. So 7 1. Okay, so this 7 above what have 6, so you multiply with this by 6. Okay, now give bracket sign. Now after this what have, there is 7. Now 3 7 ja how much? There is 21. Okay, and then minus sign, and 6 1 ja 6. Okay, so if you subtract this, there you write 7. Okay, now 21 minus 6 is what? 15. So this is the answer. Now it is an improper fraction, you can convert into mixed fraction. So 7 how many times in 15? 2 times. 7 to 15, and remain what? 1. So 1 numerator, this remain part will write in numerator. Okay, this is the answer. So similarly number B also same, only there is given what? Mixed fraction. So first we will convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So see how, first you write the denominator is what? 10. So write denominator 10, then you multiply this 5 into 10, how much? 5 10 ja 15, and after that you will add this 3. So 15 plus, sorry, 50 plus 3 how much? 5 10 ja 50, 50 plus 3 53, so there will be 53. Okay, and then give minus sign, and then same, you see their denominator what have? 15, so write 15. Now multiply this 15 to this 2, 15 to ja how much? 30, 30 plus 2, this numerator will add it. Okay, then now it is 32. Okay, so now again you, what you will do, that denominator is 10 and there is denominator is 15, so we will take the LCM. So LCM of 10 and 15 is what? There will be 30. Okay, so you take, if you want to do LCM, then do it there. Okay, so now 10, you see what will multiply with this 10, you will get 30. Surely 3, because 10 3 is 30, so here you write 3, and this above of this 10 what have? 53, and give multiply sign, and then here you write 53. Okay, and then give bracket sign, and then what have? Minus sign, so give minus sign. Okay, and then what? 15. So 15 how many times in 30, that means what will multiply with this 15, you will get 30. Surely 2, because 15 to ja 30, so give multiply sign, and above of this 15 what have? 32, so give here 32. Now here is what? 2 into 32, and give bracket sign. Okay, so next equal to give, and then 30. Okay, denominators. Now see 3 into 53, 53, 3 3 ja what? 9. Okay, and 3 5 ja 15, so here 159. Okay, and then minus sign. So now there is 32 into 2, that means this is 64. So now we'll subtract 64 from 159. Okay, that means we do minus here. So 9 minus 4 is what? 5. Okay, and then 5 minus 6 not possible, we'll take 1 from there. Now it is 15. 15 minus 6 is what? 9. Okay, so there is 95. 5. Okay, now you can cut this one by 5. If you cut this one by 5, then there will be 6. Okay, because 6 5 is 30 and there is 95. If you cut this 5, then 5 how many times in 19? 95. So 5 1 is 5, remaining what? 4. So 590 is 519 is 95. Okay, so there is what you write here, because I have no space, so you here. Okay, so 19 by 6. If you want to write this one into mixed fraction, you can write so 6 how many times in, like 19 3 times and remain what? 1. So we will write 1 in there. Okay, so hope you understood this one, and similarly number C and D you can do, so no problem. So up to this much today.